My mic wasn't even down. There we go. Let's try that again. Hello, everybody. There we go. That was better. Today's section 12.2, arithmetic sequences, however you want to say that. We got our definition here. Let's check out a quick example of an arithmetic sequence. I got something like this: 3, 7, 11, 15, da 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 da. Okay, here's what I want you guys to see. Hey, Ad, can you hand me that piece of paper over there, please? Um, so yesterday we looked at this notation, like a sub 1. You should be able to tell me what that is for this. Would be 3. Um, but here is the difference from today. An arithmetic sequence is always going to have a difference. What I mean by that, you guys can see these are going up by a constant every single time. In this case, it would be 4. Okay. Um, two little quick formulas I want you to know for this. In an arithmetic sequence, any term could be found by doing this, and then the common difference is found by doing this. Okay, finding the difference is going to be fairly easy for these ones we're looking at. Like here, it was easy to see the difference was 4 between each of these. Okay, but I want you to really take a look at this notation and try to understand this. Um, Remember, a sub n could be any term. So like, for example, let's look at the third term. A sub 3 would be 11, okay? Minus a sub n minus 1, okay? So if I'm looking at a sub 3, this would say a sub 3 minus 1, which would really mean a sub 2, which is 7. So this is going to be 11 minus 7, and that's where our 4 would come from, okay? So here we go. Here's what your questions are going to kind of look like. Determine if this is an arithmetic sequence, find the common difference, write out the first 4 terms. Let's do this first. So C sub n is going to be equal to, everything I've been using so far was like A sub n. Sometimes they'll use different letters to just call the sequences by different names. So it doesn't always have to be A sub n. It could be C, D's. I think they use a T in the textbook for some of them. But anyway, for the first term, plug in 1 for n. So 6 minus 2, so that's 4. For the second term, plug in 2, so 6 minus 4. And then plug in 3, so 6 minus 6. And then for the fourth term, plug in 4, so 6 minus 8. So that's going to be negative 2. Okay, and then it also wants me to find the d value. Again, I know you guys can tell it's negative 2, but let's do it the way I was just talking about. So pick a term, subtract the previous term. Okay, look at how I can do this, guys. C sub n is equal to 6 minus 2n. And then I'm going to subtract the previous term. So it's going to be 6 minus 2 times n minus 1. Okay, clean all this up, distribute, do all that fun stuff, and check out what we get. So this would be a positive 2. And then combine like term, like 6's are gone, negative 2n plus 2n, and I'm left with negative 2, which is what we knew we should have got. Okay? All right, and then here's the last thing. It says find the nth term of the sequence, or a sub 1 is 6. My d value, again, is negative 2. And then also find the 51st term. Okay, when it says find the nth term, I'm finding what's the sequence? What's like the little expression for the sequence? So let's put this guy back up here. That's the one I wrote earlier. A sub 1 is 6. My n value is just going to stay n because it asks for the nth term. And then my d value, where was that at? Right here, negative 2. Okay, and then just clean this up, and that's really it. Okay, so next is actually going to be minus 2n plus 2. So we got 8 minus 2n, or we can write negative 2n plus 8. That doesn't matter too much, but there we go. This is the nth term. So you guys can see that, okay? So a sub n is equal to negative 2n plus 8. And it also wants us to find the 51st term of this sequence. So here's how we're going to do that. Just do a sub 51 is equal to a sub 1, which is 6. And then my n in this case is going to be 51 times my d value, which was negative 2. So we got 6 plus, what was that, 50 times negative 2. So 6 minus 100. So negative 94 would be the 51st term of this sequence.